Hello everyone, in this video, Ashi will tell you, Wings of Hospitality. Her job as an air hostess. You'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. This will also be a great opportunity for you to practice and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Listen carefully. Ashi, a young and enthusiastic air hostess, stands in her crisp uniform at the entrance of a bustling airport. The sun rises in the background, casting a warm glow over the scene. Ashi boards the airplane and begins her pre-flight routine. She checks safety equipment, arranges the cabin, and greets passengers with a warm smile. The engines roar to life as the plane accelerates down the runway. Ashi's heart races with excitement as the aircraft lifts off into the sky. Ashi moves gracefully through the cabin, offering refreshments and assistance to passengers. She chats with them, making them feel comfortable and at ease. Suddenly, the plane hits turbulence, causing it to shake and jolt. Ashi remains calm and professional, reassuring passengers and ensuring their safety. As the sun sets outside the airplane window, Ashi takes a moment to appreciate the breathtaking view. She reflects on her love for flying and the joy of serving others. The plane descends gracefully towards the runway, touching down with a gentle bump. Ashi bids farewell to passengers as they disembark, her smile never faltering. Back at the airport, Ashi reflects on her day with a sense of fulfillment. She looks forward to the next adventure in the skies, knowing that she is living her dream. Let's learn some new words and expressions from this story. Crisp. The meaning of crisp is pleasantly hard and dry. Crisp का हिंदी में अर्थ है कुरकुरा, खस्ता, करारा. For example, store the biscuits in a tin to keep them crisp. बिस्किट को कुरकुरा रखने के लिए उसे टिन में रखें. Bustle. The meaning of bustle is to move in a busy, noisy or excited way. To make somebody move somewhere quickly. Bustle का हिंदी में अर्थ है हलचल मचाना, शीघ्रता से कहीं ले जाना. For example, let's join the bustle of kids playing in the playground. आइए खेल के मैदान में खेल रहे बच्चों की हलचल में शामिल हों. Descent. The meaning of descent is a movement down to a lower place. Descent का हिंदी में अर्थ है उतार, अवरोहन. For example, the pilot informed us that we were about to begin our descent. पायलट ने हमें सूचित किया कि हम नीचे उतरना शुरू करने वाले हैं. Turbulence. The meaning of turbulence is strong sudden movements within air or water. Turbulence का हिंदी में अर्थ है हवा या पानी के भीतर तीव्र अचानक हलचलें. For example, we might be experiencing some turbulence on this flight due to an approaching electrical storm. हमें इस उड़ान में आने वाले विद्युत तूफान के कारण कुछ अशांति का अनुभव हो सकता है. Disembark. The meaning of disembark is to get off a ship or an aircraft. Disembark का हिंदी में अर्थ है जलपोत या विमान से नीचे आना या उतरना. For example, they had just disembarked from their flight after a 12-hour journey. वे 12 घंटे की यात्रा के बाद अपनी उड़ान से उतरे ही थे.
Thanks for joining us on this English learning journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our upcoming lessons. Let's continue improving our English skills together. Happy learning and see you in the next video. इस इंग्लिश सीखने के सफर में हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद. अगर आपको ये वीडियो उपयोगी लगा हो तो इसे एक लाइक देना और सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आप हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस को मिस न करें.